Welcome to SKV Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 2, 2022. Column B, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cells. 5 is here. 9th row, we have 2, 6. 2, 6 can't come in the cell. 2, 6 will come below any one of the cells. 7th grade, only one number is remaining. Number 4, 4 confirm here. 3rd row, 4th row, we have 1. 1 can't come in the cells. Column C, we have 1. 1 can't come in the cell. 1 confirm here. 6th row and 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. 6 confirm here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is here, 4 confirm here. Column C, we have 1 and 3. 1 and 3 can't come in the cell. 1 and 3 will come in the both the cell. We will confirm later. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is here. 8 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. 2 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Remaining 2 only. 2 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. We will confirm later. 5th row, 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cells. 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. 9 is here. Column C, 1 number is remaining, number 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cells. 8th row also we have 8. 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is here. Column H, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cells. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cells. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5. 10th row, we have 2, 5. So 2, 5 can't come in the cell. 2, 5 is here. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, number 4. Number 4 confirm here. In 9th row and 10th row, we have pair number 4 and 6. Then 4 and 6 won't come in the cells. 4 and 6 will come in the both the cells. We have 4 already. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is here. 6 confirm here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is here. 3 is confirm here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is here. 2 is confirm here. Ninth grade, only one number is remaining. Number 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. We will confirm later. In this grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Sixth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is here. 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Number 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. 7 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Second row, we have 2. 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is here. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Seventh row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. 10th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. 8 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Third row, we have 3 and 1. So 1 come in the cell. 1 and 3 will come in the both the cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, number 7. 7 is here. Since 7 is here, 7 can't come in this cell. 7 will be here. 6 is confirmed here. Third row, only 1 number is remaining, number 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. 10th row, we have 5. 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, number 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, number 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 3. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is here. 3 is confirmed here. Second row, only 1 number is remaining, number 3. 3 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is here. 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is here. 7 is confirmed here. If you have any doubts, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.